Well, hello, back here in the shop. Well, we have our last few steps. We do the assembly. We start with gluing in the windows. The rear lights didn't fit so well anymore, probably because there's a couple coats of paint on it, so I drilled it out until they fit again. The motor needed some plumbing, so I mounted the radiator hose. I scratch built a mounting plate for the battery, which I mounted as next step. And now I married the body with the chassis. It's a perfect fit. I didn't like that space between the front wheel and the body was a huge gap, and so Scratch built those side skirts. Time to mount on the modified nose. And as a last step for today, I mounted the two suicide doors. That's all for today. See you next time. Bye bye.